When a loved one passes away, it's one of the hardest times in life. You feel overwhelmed, you're grieving, you're hurting. On top of that, you have practical matters to handle. It can be daunting, but remember, you're not alone. We are here to guide you step by step. Step 1. Get a legal pronouncement of death. This must happen right away. A doctor, hospice nurse, or the coroner will provide this document. It officially recognizes that your loved one has passed away. Without it, you can't move forward with other important steps, like funeral arrangements and estate management. Quick tip, keep multiple copies handy. You'll need them. Step 2. Register the death and obtain death certificates. After the pronouncement, you need certified death certificates. You can get these from the California Department of Public Health, your local county recorder's office, online services like vitalcheck.com. Order several certified copies right away. Banks, insurance companies, and government agencies will all request them. Having extras saves stress later. Step 3. Locate and secure the will or trust. The next step is crucial. Find your loved one's will or trust. These documents state clearly how assets should be distributed. They name who manages the estate, known as the executor or trustee. If there's no will, California's intestate laws decide how assets are distributed. Make sure the will is valid under California law to avoid confusion or disputes. Store these important documents securely and accessibly to avoid complications. At this point, you can start shopping for estate or probate attorneys as they are needed for legal purposes for most wills and trusts. Here is how they can help. Clear and legal guidance. An attorney makes sure you understand exactly what you need to do. Probate court representation. They'll communicate directly with the court for you, saving you stress and time. Managing debts and taxes. An attorney helps you handle outstanding debts and taxes correctly. Asset protection. They prevent mistakes that could lead to asset loss or legal conflicts. Prevent family conflict. They make sure everyone understands the process clearly and fairly. Faster estate settlements. Attorneys avoid mistakes that delay the process. If you need help finding a trustworthy real estate attorney, please reach out. We are here to guide you through everything they do not handle: personal property, real estate, and loved ones who are left behind without their caretaker. One of our specialties is helping families manage senior transitions smoothly and compassionately. Step 4. Secure the decedent's property and digital assets. Now, protect your loved one's assets. Secure their home and valuables immediately. Change locks if necessary. Contact insurance providers about the property's coverage. Don't forget digital assets like social media accounts and online banking. Secure passwords and contact service providers promptly. California law often requires property appraisals for probate and assigns a probate referee. This ensures accurate asset valuation for tax and distribution purposes. Step 5. Notify California agencies and institutions. You must notify important agencies promptly. This prevents fraud, stops unnecessary payments, and helps manage the estate responsibly. Here's a detailed list. Social Security Administration, stop benefits, prevent overpayments, and check eligibility for survivor benefits. California Franchise Tax Board, address state taxes and promptly to avoid penalties. Internal Revenue Service, file final federal tax returns and pay any taxes owed. Department of Motor Vehicles, cancel driver's license and update vehicle registrations. Department of Health Care Services, notify for possible Medi-Cal recovery claims. Department of Corrections and Rehabilitation, Required notification if the deceased was incarcerated or on probate or on parole. Veterans Affairs. Check eligibility for funeral assistance or survivor benefits. Banks and financial institution. Freeze accounts and prepare estate account management. Insurance companies contact life, home, auto, and health. The providers start the claims processing. Step 6. Determine if probate is required in California. Probate is the legal process to settle the estate. It isn't always required. California probate thresholds are clearly defined. Before April 2022 to March 2025, $184,500, and after April 2025, $208,850. If the estate value is under these amounts, simplified probate may apply. If over, formal probate is needed. We specialize in guiding families clearly and compassionately through California probate. If you're unsure, please contact us. Step 7, pay debts and taxes before distributing assets. Before distributing assets, you must handle debts and taxes. File the final income tax return by April 15th of the following year. File Form 1041 if the estate earns income after death. Notify creditors officially. Pay verified debts before distributing remaining assets. Handling these responsibilities carefully prevents legal issues. As an estate expert, we help families manage this smoothly, ensuring peace of mind. Step 8. Distribute remaining assets. Once debts and taxes are settled, distribute remaining assets. Follow instructions outlined clearly in the will. Without a will, follow California's intestate laws. Submit final accounting and distribution plans for court approval. Keep clear, accurate records to ensure compliance. Common mistakes families make and how to avoid them. Ignoring legal deadlines cause costly delays. Not securing assets immediately risks theft or loss. Waiting to ask for help leads to stress and complications. Remember, seeking professional help early can prevent these common pitfalls. You're going through a difficult time, but remember, you're not alone. We are here to guide you clearly, calmly, and compassionately through every step. If this video helped you, please like, subscribe, and share. If you have questions or need personalized assistance with probate, estate management, or home transitions, reach out anytime. We offer free consultations to support your family during this sensitive period. The information provided is for educational purposes and does not constitute legal or tax advice. Always consult a legal or tax professional before making decisions regarding estate management. An experienced estate or probate attorney can provide essential support and legal guidance. As a senior home transition specialist and probate property manager, we can offer support regarding the real estate and information if your loved one is ready to transition into a senior community.